Got some May West Stalk Stompers coming in. Gonna put on our second corn head. G4 Stalk Stompers. Gonna go on the 4412 corn head. We're gonna run 2 this year. We got the Devastators on one. This is gonna go on the other. Quite the package. 810 pounds. Okay, step 1. Little bar here. It's got some U-bolts around it. That's where our initial bracket will be. Come back here. Put it on in between the, just on the inside of the outside row. Then the same over here. Still trucking right along. Got the braces back here. This bar where these go on, where the actual shoes will mount on. Trying to figure out. Kit comes for different size heads. You get spliced together there in the middle. We got her loose, just trying to slide her all, make her right. The only problem we really had, besides that, just figuring that out, is this one right here. That bolt, U-bolt's in a tight spot, not that one. That one. Jared got it. All right, got the brackets and everything on. Now we're gonna put our corn head down to where we'll be picking at. And adjust the shoes there where we're just barely touching. All right, she's all assembled, ready to go. Then if you need to change anything for when you transport, just pull one pin out. You can latch it like that, sideways, or even all the way up, I believe, if you have to. Yeah, so it's for going on the trailer. Well, it took us a good part of the day to get it all assembled, but that's mostly just because we didn't know what we were doing. It's pretty simple. One thing I really like is all the bolts are the same size, so you just need one side socket and an end wrench. There's 8 total brackets going up to the frame. 4 total bars, because this is a folding corn head. This will fold up with the side. 2 bars in the middle get spliced together. They butt it up against each other, fit just right. I think that's that. And now we got the case hooked up. We'll see how this works. Bought it used. I don't think it's got very many hours on. I can't remember. It wasn't very many. It was a demo, so ought to work. If it don't, that's a problem. Got our May West Stalk Stompers on here. We'll see how we like those. Not much of, I was wanting to get like throughs as a comparison, but did about a round off the end row. I guess we can see the difference on those. Won't be the best test, but we're not switching for testing reasons. We're switching because forehand wasn't doing the job. Not sure our adjustment on them yet. We got them about all the way up. I don't think you want them too heavy on there. I think they're supposed to be ticking the ground, but no, we don't have a chopping corn head. We used to have those for years. Had the roto disc, lawnmower blades. I feel like there's another one. Anyways, we've had several different kinds. We just felt like we lost too much of our fodder to the neighbor's field blow away. But yeah, it's either breaking them or knocking them over. That's what you want. Got the Devastators over here. And I would say, oh wait a minute, still in the Midwest. Devastator's over here, and I'd say, I don't know, pretty similar. Pretty similar. That's good.
Well, I've been running a while since I got the case cornhead on now with the May West Stalk Stompers. It's the first time I've ever ran any of these. I think they're doing the job. You see over there, it's knocking the stalk over. That's what it's supposed to do. It don't chew them up, of course, as much as the Devastators. It's just knocking over the stalk. They aren't supposed to chew them up. So I'd say all in all, they're working good. The Devastators do more, but they cost a lot more too. So, and you got to put bearings in them once in a while. I don't know how these will hold up, but time will tell. We're going to be running it for a few days while our gearing hall's getting rebuilt. Well, I've used the May West Stalk Stompers now on a few hundred acres, and I'll have to say I'm satisfied with them. Doing what they're supposed to do, lay the stalk over, no trouble with them. They don't drag up. Seem to be pretty tough. I don't know how they'd hold up, you know, 3 or 4 years, but I think okay. So they're doing all right. I'll give the May West Stalk Stompers a thumbs up.